You save files on your Mac every single day. But here's a question that most people have never stopped to think about. If something happened to your Mac tomorrow, where would those files actually be? Most people are not sure, and this video fixes that. Before anything else, there's one setting that's worth checking right now. Get to System Settings, iCloud, iCloud Drive, this toggle, Desktop and Documents. If it is already on, perfect. That's exactly where we want it to be. If it fits your workflow, and if you have enough iCloud storage, then turn it on now. Your Mac desktop and documents will start syncing to iCloud, and in a moment, you will see exactly why this matters. And one more thing, open Finder window. Check the sidebar. If you can see iCloud Drive, that's great. If you don't see it, let's enable it first. Click Finder, left side top corner, Settings, Sidebar, and ensure you check iCloud Drive. From now on, each time you open Finder, iCloud Drive is just one click away. Now here's what most people think iCloud is doing for them. They think it is a backup. Eventually, it is not. iCloud Drive syncs your files. It keeps them available across all your devices. But syncing and backing up are two completely different things. Think of it this way. iCloud Drive is closer to Mirror, and the backup is more like Time Machine. With a mirror, what changes on one side changes on the other. Let me show you exactly what that means. Same document, right on the phone, also on my Mac, syncing across both the devices. Now watch, I'm going to delete one of these files, and in seconds, it disappears from both the devices. Again, I delete another file from my Mac, and within seconds, it disappears from my cell phone too. Gone from my Mac, gone from my iPhone, gone from everywhere iCloud was syncing. Now I'm sure we have a very clear understanding about iCloud. It is just like a mirror, not a backup. Now here is iCloud Drive does do something brilliantly, and most people never take advantage of it. We just set up desktop and document sync a moment ago. That means every file on your Mac desktop and in your documents folder is now accessible on your iPhone, iPad from any device signed into the same Apple ID. Open Files app on your iPhone or on your iPad. Expand locations, iCloud Drive. And here you go. Your Mac desktop, your Mac documents on your iPhone and on your iPad. You're away from your desk. You don't have your MacBook. The document you need is already in the Files app waiting. Access from anywhere, not backup. Now you know the difference. So what actually goes wrong and who does it happen to? A folder accidentally got deleted. The wrong file selected and got deleted from a folder. A document overwritten with no version history, or an SD card formatted by mistake. And the one situation that most people never think about. The backup drive was not connected when the file disappeared. iCloud was on, Time Machine was set up, but the drive was sitting on shelf at home. These are not rare events. They happen to very careful people. The question is not whether it can happen to you. It is whether you will be protected when it happens. The right backup system for a Mac is Time Machine. Built into macOS, Apple's own solution. Nothing extra to install. All you need is an external hard drive or SSD. By the way, I will link some solid options in the description. Connect the drive, get to System Settings, Time Machine, and turn it on now. It barely takes few seconds to set up. From now on, Time Machine backs up automatically and keeps a history of your files. If a file disappears, open Time Machine. Go back to before the deletion and restore it. It just takes few seconds only. One thing you must know, if the backup drive is not connected when automatic backup is scheduled, your Mac creates a temporary local snapshot on the internal drive instead. And when you reconnect the drive, Time Machine transfers it and removes the local copy. So the system is always trying to automatically protect you. For data safety on your Mac, Time Machine is the right system. And for complete protection, you want one more layer beyond that. Before we move to the full protection system, there's one more thing worth understanding. How deletion actually works with iCloud Drive. When you delete a file from your Mac, desktop, or documents, it goes to trash. And here's the important part. As long as the trash has not been emptied, the file is still there. Open trash, find it, and move it back. And same way, it applies to your other devices too, whether it's iPhone or your iPad. You deleted something from your iCloud Drive, it goes to recently deleted. You can go to that folder, select the file, and you can put it back. But like I told you, iCloud is like a mirror system. So it is keeping your data in trash as long as it is there. As soon as you delete it, it is permanently gone. Even if you visit iCloud.com, recently deleted, you will not find the deleted file if it is deleted from trash on your Mac. So be mindful before you delete and clear your trash. And that's why Time Machine is really important for a Mac. Now let's bring it all together. Most people have one copy of their files on their Mac, and one copy is not enough. A safer setup has 3 layers. Layer 1, your Mac. Layer 2, Time Machine. And layer 3, one copy stored somewhere away from your Mac, another drive, or a trusted cloud backup service. You don't have to set up everything today, right now, but at least start with Time Machine. You should have Time Machine set up with your Mac. Here's what to check on your Mac right now. Under System Settings, go to Time Machine and check if Time Machine is on. When did it last run? If it shows days or a week ago, reconnect the external drive, let the backup run. Second, check if the desktop and documents are syncing to iCloud Drive. Third, if a file already missing, here's the sequence to follow. Step 1, check the trash. Step 2, check iCloud.com, recently deleted. Step 3, open Time Machine and go back to a snapshot from before the deletion. If none of these steps work, then you may have to take some help from advanced data recovery tools. Sync, backup, and recovery are 3 different things. iCloud Drive gives you 30 days to recover something you deleted unless you clear the trash. Time Machine protects your history as long as the drive is connected and running. And if the system was not there, knowing the right steps in the right order gives you the best chance of getting it back. The safest Mac users understand all 3. Most people relying on one and calling it enough. I hope you understand the distinction between sync and backup. If you have not done the backup yet, I guess you should start doing now. Anyways, if you're ready to step up, here's the next one for you. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe Crazy Editors for future tech tips, tricks, and solutions. Until next time, you take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next one.